Hello! Welcome to this English learning video. Today, you'll learn the shadowing technique, a simple and powerful way to improve your speaking. What is it? Listen to English speech, then repeat it right away. Copy the voice, speed, and feeling like you're their shadow. It helps you speak clearly, understand better, and gain confidence. Now, enjoy this fun story told by a girl. I went to the airport. Ready? Let's start. Like and subscribe for more shadowing stories. Hi, my name is Sarah. Last weekend, I went to the airport to pick up my best friend, Emily. She was coming back from her amazing trip to Europe, and I was really excited to see her again. I woke up very early on Saturday morning because I didn't want to be late. I got dressed quickly, washed my face, and ate a fast breakfast. I didn't feel hungry because I was already so excited. After that, I grabbed my car keys and drove to the airport. Luckily, the traffic was light, so the drive was smooth and easy. I arrived at the airport earlier than expected. I parked my car in the big parking lot and walked toward the terminal building. As soon as I entered, I felt the busy energy of the airport. There were people everywhere. Some families were waiting with colorful welcome signs. Business travelers were walking fast with laptops and phones in their hands. Little children were running around, laughing and pointing at airplanes. I smiled while watching all of them. I walked over to the large arrival board and searched for Emily's flight number. When I found it, I felt relieved. The screen said, "On time." That made me very happy. I didn't have to worry about delays. Since I had some time, I went to a nearby cafe and bought a cup of hot coffee. The smell was wonderful, and the warmth felt good in my hands. Then I walked to the arrival gate and found a seat near the window. While I was waiting, I watched the airplanes outside. Some planes were taking off into the sky, and others were landing smoothly on the runway. Watching them made me dream. After some time, I looked back at the arrival board. Suddenly, the status changed. It now said, "Arrived." My heart started beating faster. I felt excited, nervous, and happy all at the same time. People slowly began coming out of the arrival gate. First, only a few passengers appeared. Then, a large group walked out together. I stood on my toes and looked carefully, trying to find Emily in the crowd. And then I saw her. Emily was pulling her blue suitcase and smiling brightly. Her face lit up when she saw me. She started waving, and I waved back as fast as I could. We ran toward each other and hugged tightly. "I missed you so much," I said. "I missed you too," she replied. We said it at the same time, and then we both laughed. We didn't stop talking after that. Emily told me about her trip, the delicious food, the beautiful cities, and the fun adventures she had. We walked together to my car, still talking and laughing. On the way home, the conversation never stopped. We shared stories, jokes, and memories. It felt so good to be together again. That day was truly special. It was one of the best days ever. Now, let's focus on some key sounds for beginners. In American English, words like airport say airport, with stress on air. Excited, ick-si-ted. The middle part is loud. Hugged ends with a D sound, not too hard. Laughed, with a soft F at the end. Let's repeat some sentences slowly with tips. I was so excited. Say so a bit longer for feeling. So excited. Repeat. I was so excited. My heart started beating really fast. Really is really. Repeat that. We hugged tightly. Tightly rhymes with nightly. Repeat. Great. Now one more.